Hello and welcome. You are tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of September, Part 2. Yellow Bag Pen Mission, a step towards sustainable waste management. The Eco Club of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil launched the Yellow Bag Pen Mission as part of its ongoing commitment to promote sustainability and responsible waste management. The vice principals distributed mancha pies to every classroom and staff room. Under the guidance of the Eco Club coordinator and president, members tied the mancha pies in classrooms and oriented the students on their proper use. Students were instructed to collect dry plastics such as pen refills in the bags, recyclable papers in separate trays, and dispose of trash waste in bins. This initiative ensures systematic waste segregation and regular disposal through authorized vendors. This thoughtful and structured approach reflects the college's commitment to nurturing an eco-conscious campus culture. Seminar on Green Entrepreneurship inspires budding botanists. The PG and Research Department of Botany, in collaboration with the institution's Innovation Council, organized a seminar on green entrepreneurship ideas for botanists. Ms. D.F. Vinsila Baby, co-owner of AJ Nursery Garden Rajavur and proud alumna of the department, graced the session. Sharing her inspiring journey from students to successful entrepreneur, she spoke about transforming a passion for plants into thriving business. Ms. Vinsila emphasized the potential of green entrepreneurship, highlighting innovation, sustainability, and creativity as key to future ventures. The interactive session saw students eagerly engaging with the speaker on practical aspects of nursery management and eco-business challenges. The seminar encouraged students to envision entrepreneurship as a meaningful career path aligned with environmental conservation. Planet in Focus: Environmental Narratives in Media. The Department of English Literature with Media Communication and the Department of English Self-Finance Stream jointly organized an extended curricular engagement program titled Planet in Focus: Environmental Narratives in Media. The event featured the screening of the film Moonfall, chosen for its strong environmental undertones. Following the screening, students participated in a structured review writing exercise that encouraged critical analysis of the film's narrative, visual style, and ecological themes. The session enabled students to view environmental concerns through the lens of cinema, highlighting how films can serve as a powerful medium to raise awareness and inspire responsibility towards nature. Webinar on Marine Ecosystems and Bioresources. A thought-provoking webinar on marine ecosystems and bioresources and crisis caused by the changing world was organized by the IQAC of Holy Cross College. The session was led by Dr. A.P. Lipton, former Principal Scientist and Head, Marine Biotechnology Division, CMFRA Cochin. Dr. Lipton spoke about the impacts of global changes such as pollution, climate change, and overexploitation on marine life. He emphasized sustainable management of marine bioresources and the urgent need for conservation. Around 70 faculty and staff members benefited from the enriching session, which deepened awareness about marine biodiversity and environmental responsibility. Shuttle Free Day encourages green mobility. In effort to promote eco-friendly transportation, Holy Cross College observed Shuttle Free Day. On this day, conventional fuel-powered vehicles were restricted from entering the campus. Instead, students and staff commuted using bicycles and electric vehicles. 5 bicycles and 5 e-vehicles were used, while 3 electric vehicles offered shuttle services within the campus. In addition to this, carpooling day was observed to promote eco-friendly commuting and reduce carbon emissions. Staff and students enthusiastically participated by sharing rides, spreading awareness on sustainable travel and environmental conservation. The initiative highlighted the college's commitment to green practices and community responsibility. Annual Alumni Meet 2025, Crossians reconnect with pride and purpose. Holy Cross College, Nagercoil witnessed a heartwarming reunion as alumni from various batches gathered for the annual Alumni Meet 2025. The celebration was graced by distinguished chief guest Dr. M. Glory, former head of the Department of Botany, St. Mary's College, Tuticorin, and Dr. S. Mary Celestine Kala, Associate Professor of Chemistry, St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai, both proud alumna of Holy Cross. Adding further charm to the occasion, Mrs. Anu J. Preeta, Headmistress of LMS Higher Secondary School, and Mrs. R. J. Elilarasi, Headmistress of Lawrence Higher Secondary School, joined as special invitees, sharing messages of gratitude and inspiration. The meet turned into a delightful blend of nostalgia and celebration as former students reconnected, shared memories, and expressed their pride in being Crossians. During the event, 200 saplings, including jamun, guava, lemon, and jackfruit trees, were distributed to alumni, and 50 were planted within the campus. The program reinforced the association's ongoing commitment to ecological conservation and community participation. It concluded with a systematic plantation ceremony within the campus, representing collective dedication to preserving nature for future generations. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.